the cream cheese to my bagel. The peanut butter to my jelly. And the merlot to my pizza night. Without you, life would be bland, boring, and just plain weird. As we stand here today, I promised, sana wag mong tandaan ha. I promise to love you more than coffee. And that's a big deal because I really love coffee. And I vow to cherish you, support you, and make fun of your nagging. No, just kidding. Kind of. And I promise to be your partner in crime, your accomplice in mischief, and your forever home. Do not be flattered. I love the way you make me laugh. The way you always know how to make me feel better when I'm down. And the way you always support me in everything I do. You're my rock, my confidante, and my best friend. And also my best enemy. I promise, ang dami ko ng promise dito. I promise to be patient with when you're being crazy, to listen to you when you are being dramatic, and to understand you when you're being moody, which is often. I vow to make you feel loved, appreciated, and cherished every day, even when you leave the cup of the toothpaste. Which is often. As we begin this new chapter in our lives, I promise to build a life with you that's filled with laughter and adventure. And that's of inside jokes. I vow to be your partner in shenanigans, your co-conspirator in all things fun, and your forever love. I love you for who you are and for who you help me to be. I love your quirks, your flaws, and your imperfections. I love your smile, your laugh, and the way you roll your eyes when you don't like someone. No, just kidding. I love your beautiful eyes. Most of all, I love the way you make me feel when we're together. Like I'm home. Like I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. So here's to us, my love, Langga. May our love continue to grow, our adventures continue to multiply, and our laughter continue to fill the air. I promise to love you, cherish you, and make you laugh for the rest of our lives. I love you, Langga. Congratulations to us.
And look at Mushi's vow, it's full. Like but mine is a bit like empty. Because I was very busy preparing for this, but I prepared quick. But so please bear with me if this like paikot-ikot lang. I don't know the English. Turning round and round. Sorry, sit down. Okay. Best, ha? Langga, love, ha? Ano ba yan? This is it, pansit. We've been waiting for this moment, and finally we're here. I can still remember when I asked you, "Anong best mong gusto na endearment?" Kinumdam ka? Do you remember? Aren't you proud that I am your girlfriend? Girl thing. Are you ashamed of me? And then you replied, "I want us to call each other best because I have a cousin who's getting married next month and their endearment is best." So I was so kilig that time. Kaya niingon ko sa usap nga, "Uy, ginahanay ko dito sa pakasalan." Our love story is like a roller coaster ride. A lot of ups and downs, daghang struggles, but look at us now, 7 years later. We're finally saying, that's right. I am not the easiest woman to love, but you endured and even loved me more. Thank you for always taking care of me. Thank you for being so calm when I am so maldita. Di yan totoo. Thank you for cooking delicious food for me every night when I arrive home from work, very hungry. Mushi's food, delicious food is already in the table. I'm so blessed. No wonder my body is double sized. because I am deeply loved by a man who has a nice, kind, and loving heart. Hanggang doon lang, oh! Di ko na natapos kasi busy mag-pictorial, but more than words, you know how much I love you. And I may not express it with my words, and sometimes, yeah, I nag. Sometimes, I'm moody. But thank you for accepting me for who I am and for loving me more. And I vow to support you. And random lang ito ha, kung ano ang maisip ko. Nasuportahan ka in everything that you do. I'm your #1 cheerleader. And yeah, I love you more than words. And I'm not gonna say it like through words, but I'm just gonna show it to you by action. And I love you very much.
Chapter, hand in hand, heart to heart, surrounded by love, laughter, and all of you who mean the word to them. One more team, guys! 5 seconds. And 1, 2, 3, go, come! 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, guys, please be ready for the family photos, friends. First, we have our photo first for our pastor. after this, all groomsmen, all boys, which should be in the left side, and all girls and guests, and Nino in the right side. Okay, for the send-off. Welcome po kayo mag-picture. All girls in the right side for the... My next one na wedding. Okay.
Nagutom na ang all.
First dance. Official ba yun? Go! Okay, music maestro! Oh, sayaw, sayaw, sayaw! Ikaw nakita ko. Thank you so much, Fabio. Wala na akong speak dito. Stop! What is your name, sir? From where? From Barcelona. Thank you so much, Ace, for that. Ready, get set, go! Boy, bilisan nyo! Bilisan nyo! What is your name, sir?
Joshua.
From where?
Japan.
Second floor? Japan, second floor. Ready, basic value! Sino yun? Sino nakakuha? Ikaw, ikaw. Thank you so much for that, Anthony. Next! Hey! Stop. Now you're 5, right? Kailangan nyo mag-guard. Kung sino